Dydd Gwyl Ddewi hapus.
Ceredigion.
Community.
Freedom.
The Welsh language.
One thing I think we could do to help the Welsh language is to help and encourage others to use it, like learners.
If I need to access any service, what I need to firstly, and what I would really like, would be to be able to do so in my native language, which is Welsh.
It's very important that I'm able to communicate with the staff involved through the medium of Welsh, because that's my strongest language.
What would be nice is to be able to start that conversation in my mother tongue.
I would expect to be able to use Welsh in any official situation or to access any public service.
Siarad Cymraeg yn bwysig achos yna beth sy'n meddwl fi'n cyntaf.
It's the language I was brought up with, it's a language I feel passionate about, and it's the language I feel passionate when communicating with these organisations.
I think it's a matter of confidence, that I'm more confident in speaking my own language.
Deall. Hapus.
Because I'm much more comfortable in my mother tongue. Example, phoning the doctor or having to sort something out because it's something personal to you.
When you realise that the service is not available in my own language, I think that I probably have to hit the reset button. Well, I'm not quite as confident as I would be otherwise.
Your mind goes into a kind of not a panic or a crisis mode, but you just got to go into a reset mode where you've then got to think, all right, okay, this is what I was hoping to say, but actually you just got to think of some of those other terms, perhaps.
Speaking Welsh is something that comes quite naturally to me.
Nectar on the lips.
Speaking Welsh is like sitting down, having a nice warm cup of tea.
Dydd Gwyl Ddewi hapus a gwnewch y pethau bach.